Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and we're going to go through the storage, what to do if it's full, how to free the space. Use built-in storage cleaner. This is actually the fastest method available. Open settings and here go to the storage over here. As you can see here we've got this cleanup option. Just tap it. And here, clean up junk files. Here, as you can see, we have 0 unused files and 0 duplicate files. But if you do have some, click here clean up and here clean up. Apart from that, you need to focus on the size of each section. If you see that apps are, the most the worst section when it comes to usage, just here tap apps. You need to here make sure that you have here applications many gigabytes and here go to the apps. Now here tap manage apps and uninstall applications that you are useless for you. Like here I've got Block Blast, tap uninstall, OK. And do this for every single application that you have here stored, and do this for every image, every video, audio, document, like archives, installation packages, not system and not other. Just you need to leave it as it is. But how to get rid of these things that aren't accessible through the settings? You need to go to the files over here, agree, and as you can see here, we've got many things. As you can see, like images over here, videos, documents, audio, apps, and archive. Let me, for example, open the videos or images. It will be easier. Now we need to hold our finger on something and then delete. Apart from that, we can, as you can see, drag. Hold at first our finger on something, and then here we can drag our finger on more things to select them. Then we can tap here these 3 dots and tap cleanup. Not cleanup, wait a moment, what am I talking about? Sorry, here this bin icon. I'm tired, sorry. Here delete, and that should be all. Do this with every single thing that you have here, useless. But you need to make sure this is useless because, then if you go to trash, it should be here recently deleted, you can recover them or tap delete all and clear. And that should be it. Goodbye.